everyone, welcome back to a beautiful summer's day. Come in, Lorne, and have a little look at this engine bay. So what I'm going to ask you guys is, can you spot the differences in this engine bay? This is a really exciting product that's coming soon to the Figaro Shop that we've been working on for a few months now. Something very vastly different is this array just here. So this is actually a custom intake pipe here. We've still been doing some fettling, so it may change a little bit as we go along. One of the main problems that we've been seeing over a little while now with the Figaro is of the mass airflow sensor, which mass sensor you've heard people calling it, which attaches to the edge of the gear actual airbox, and that causes many running problems. Everyone also knows that the cold start valve is very troublesome, and it's very expensive to change. We know that the ECCS, these valves that are located just here, which control some of the idling, are also starting to become problemsome. So what we've actually done is we've developed a replacement ECU kit. So that actually allows us to remove all of those sensors, so we're no longer going to be using those. We replace it with an idle control valve, which is just located down here. So a small modification, which is completely reversible as well. But what that actually does is that gives us complete control over the engine's characteristics. It allows us to check in on the engine. So like a modern day vehicle, we can plug the vehicle in and just check that the car is running correctly. We can make sure the injectors are flowing correctly. It also means that we will, as the injectors become worse, as we know they have fueling problems, that we can actually change those injectors, whereas at the moment we cannot. So yeah, we've kind of got a fix in place, and it's just something really, really exciting that we wanted to show you. So we're looking to have this ready for sale in around about 4 to 5 weeks. So please get in contact with us here at the shop if you're interested in that. I know that we've got around about 5 or 6 customers that already want one. So we expect this is actually going to be a huge kit. What it also means is that if anybody is looking to get a little bit extra horsepower out of the car as well, that is also the possibility. So as you can see here, that's what we've been playing around with to make it a little bit more powerful, and that's what that's creating. And the way that it's actually located is it still fits in the same location as the current ECU, so that's down in the actual passenger footwell. And one thing that you'll see inside this is how it plugs into our laptops here. So that we can help diagnose problems and see what's going on. So it's a really, really exciting opportunity to modernise the Figaro and keep these beautiful cars going for much, much longer.